Hi students, welcome to today's class. In the last class, I have introduced you what is a pair of straight lines and their equation and the angle between them and the various forms of lines. And today I am going to introduce some more concept. So nature of triangles. So already we have a pair of lines. If one more line is added, then there forms a triangle. Okay. So depending upon the types of triangles, the equations also takes various forms. So see the first one. So equation of the pair of lines through the origin, equation of the pair of lines through the origin and making an angle alpha with the line Lx plus My plus n is equal to 0 is, so Lx plus My whole square minus tan square alpha times Mx minus Ly whole square. See here. So what is the concept behind this is, so if you draw the diagram, the concept will be very clear. So what is the concept here is, let us take x-axis and y-axis, a pair of lines through the origin. So there are two lines are there, they are passing through origin O. Okay. There is another line Lx plus My plus n, they are making an angle alpha with the line. They are making an angle alpha. So this angle may be here or may be here. You can take anywhere you can take. So this pair of lines making an angle of alpha with the line Lx plus My plus n is equal to 0. Then the equation of pair of lines through the origin and making an angle alpha with the line is. So if you want to find the equation of these lines, the equation of these lines is given by the formula Lx plus My whole square. So this is Lx plus My whole square minus tan square alpha, whatever may be the angle alpha, tan square alpha times Mx minus Ly whole square is equal to 0. So this is a Lx plus My whole square, here Mx minus Ly whole square, here it comes tan square alpha. So this is a pair of lines. If you want to find out the equation of the pair of lines passing through origin and making an angle alpha with the line Lx plus My plus n is equal to 0 is Lx plus My whole square minus tan square alpha times Mx minus Ly whole square is equal to 0. Okay, na? So for this type of problems, so there are proofs are also there. So let us take the concept one. Okay, na? Right. Now coming to the second one, equation of the pair of lines through the origin and forming an isosceles triangle with the line Lx plus My plus n is equal to 0, having vertex at O is equal to 0 is. Okay. If it is an isosceles triangle, if it is this triangle is happens to be isosceles triangle, equation of the pair of lines through the origin and forming an isosceles triangle with the line Lx, that means isosceles triangle means what? These two sides are equal. So you call it as A and it is B. So that is OA is equal to OB. If this triangle is happens to be isosceles triangle with the line Lx plus My plus n is equal to 0, vertex at O, where Lx plus My whole square minus k times Mx minus Ly whole square is equal to 0. That means in place of tan square alpha, k will come. Then it become a isosceles triangle. Okay. That isosceles triangle will become right angle isosceles triangle if k value is equal to 1. If the k value is equal to 1, then isosceles triangle will become right angle isosceles triangle. If k value is happens to be 3, then the triangle is equilateral triangle. So this concept is very important. So this is very important. So you will get some concept. That means what? Any equations, if it is a k value is 3, then Lx plus My whole square minus 3 times Mx minus Ly whole square is equal to 0 forms an equilateral triangle with the line Lx plus My plus n is equal to 0. Here you have to understand one thing here. This is Lx plus My, this is Mx minus Ly, perpendicular lines. Lx plus My and Mx minus Ly, both are perpendicular. Whole square, whole square. Here is also it is there. Lx plus My, Mx minus Ly. Okay, so if it is a the pair of lines equation is here, tan square alpha is there. If it is a tan square alpha is equal to 1, so in place of tan square alpha, k will come, then it will form a triangle. That is, triangle is a isosceles triangle. If this k value is 1, then it is a right angle isosceles triangle. If k is equal to 3, then it is an equilateral triangle. Okay now, right? I hope that you understand this concept. So let us go some more concepts. Welcome back to next concept here. Orthocenter and centroid. We know I already defined what is a orthocenter, centroid, circumcenter, incenter, excenters in the previous chapter, straight lines. Okay, here the sides of a triangle are given by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 and lx plus my plus n is equal to 0. That means here, so this is x-axis and y-axis. The sides of a triangle are given by, so it is a pair of lines passing through origin, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to, that is a pair of lines passing through the origin, and another line is there, that is a lx plus, so this is a triangle. So this is the triangle. Okay now, right. So ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is a pair of lines passing through the origin, two lines, and one more line is lx plus my plus n is equal to 0. So all these three lines together, they form a triangle. So if you want to find out centroid of this, orthocenter of this triangle, orthocenter. So if you want to find out the orthocenter of this triangle, that is given by the formula KL comma KM. So here it is L, it is M. KL comma K, that KM, that is you have to multiply it with K here. But what is K? So your K is nothing but minus n times A plus B upon AM square minus 2HLM plus BL square. So first of all, you have to find out this quantity minus n. So n, this is a n and it is a and it is B and it is a m. Substitute there. So my K is equal to minus n times A plus B upon AM square minus 2HLM plus BL square. Okay now? So that is, if you substitute here, you will get a point, that is nothing but orthocenter. So coming to the next concept, so it is represents two sides of a triangle and x1, y1 is its centroid. Okay now? So here this is a x-axis and y-axis, and this is a ax square plus 2hxy plus by square represents the equations of two lines. So this is a ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 represents the equation of two lines passing through the origin. Okay. So x1 comma y1 is centroid of this triangle. So this is a centroid, that is a G of the triangle OAB, of the triangle OAB. So G is the centroid of the triangle OAB. So here what you know? You know the centroid of the triangle and the equations of OA and OB. The combined equation of OA and OB is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Okay now? So G is the centroid of the triangle. Now, then the equation of the third side, so this is the third side, is given by the formula equation S1 is equal to 3 by 2 times S11. Here what is S1 and S11 is, it is a notation. We know that if S is equal to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square, if S is equal to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square, then S1 is given as axx1 plus h of x plus x1 into y plus y1 plus b of y plus y1. B of y y1. Understand? So this is a S1 notation. Coming to S11 notation is given by ax1 square plus 2hx1 y1 plus b by 1 square. So, using that notations, so you can substitute here, you will get the equation of a line. Okay now, right. So, I hope that, so dear students, I hope that you understand this concept. So, let us go for next concept. Welcome back to this concept. Here, area of the triangle. So, the area of the triangle formed by the lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 and the line to lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 is n square root of h square minus ab upon am square minus 2hlm plus bl square is equal to 0. So, what is this? Let me explain. So, let us take the two-dimensional system x axis and y axis. Let us take a pair of lines passing through origin. Okay. So, these are the pair of lines passing through the origin, that is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. And another line is there, that is lx plus my. So, this is lx plus my plus n is equal to 0. Now, thereby forms a triangle. So, let us call it as a OAB. So, OAB is a triangle. So, this is a triangle. So, this is a triangle. OAB is a triangle. So, if you want to find out the area of the triangle, so the formula is given by n square times root of h square minus ab by am square minus 2hlm plus bl square. Okay. So, for this formula derivation is also there. So, it is such a long derivation we have, but make use of the formula, we will use the we will solve the number of problems. So, next one is the lines lx plus my plus n is equal to 0. So, always remember this format, you remember this. So, here if it is a 3, here Lx plus My, here Mx minus Ly, perpendicular line, Lx plus My, here Mx minus My, perpendicular lines, whole square. Here 3 should be there. Then this single line and this is 2 lines, these two forms an equilateral triangle. They forms a equilateral triangle. If it is a 1 in place of 3, if it is a 1 is there, then it is a right angle isosceles triangle. In place of 3, if it is a 1 is there, it is a right angle isosceles triangle. Here if it is a 3 is there, then it is a equilateral triangle. If other than any number is there, any constant is there, then it is a isosceles triangle. Any number 5, 6, 7, 8 and other than this 1 and 3, if any number is there, isosceles triangle will form. So, now this line and these 2 lines, 3 lines together form an equilateral triangle and its area is given by n square by root 3 times L square plus m square. This is the area of the equilateral triangle. Okay. So, this is the area of any triangle. So, this is a particularly area of the equilateral triangle. Okay. So, I hope that you understand this concept. So, let us go for next concept. So, welcome to this concept. So, here it is the product of the perpendiculars. So, what is the product of the perpendiculars means here? The product of the perpendiculars from x1 comma y1 to the pair of lines h is equal to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 is d1 times. So, what is the product of the perpendiculars? So, let us see this here. So, this is a x axis and a y axis. Product of the perpendiculars. So, let us take these 2 lines are passing through origin. So, this is a L1 is equal to 0, this is a L2 is equal to 0. There are 2 lines. Their combined equation is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Let us take any one point, so that is x1 comma y1. Let x1 comma y1 be any point on in the plane containing L1 and L2. Let the perpendicular distance from this point to here it is d1. The perpendicular distance from the point x1 comma y1 to the first line is d1 perpendicular distance. You know the perpendicular distance formula, modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. Let this perpendicular distance from this point to be d2. So, that is a d1 and it is d2. Then the product of these lengths, that is a d1 into d2. The product of these 2 lengths d1 and d2 is given by modulus of ax1 square plus 2hx1 plus by1 square by root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. That means what? Substitute this x1 y1 value here in the left hand side part, ax1 square plus 2hx1 plus by square. So definitely it won't satisfy. Why? Because x1 y1 does not lie on any one of the line. Okay, right. By under root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. So remember this expression, root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. It comes under angle between the two lines, cos theta. There also we got this expression. Okay. So like that you comparatively study. Okay. So I hope that you understand this concept. So let us go for next concept. So welcome to this concept. So this is a pair of bisectors and equally inclined pairs. So let us see here a pair of bisectors. So already we know that when two lines are in the straight line chapter I explained. So when two lines are intersects, there forms are two angles between them. One is a acute angle, another one is obtuse angle. So the line which divides this acute angle, so this is called acute angle bisector, and the line which divides these two obtuse angle into two equal parts, that is called obtuse angle bisector. So in the straight lines chapter we learn how to find out their separate equations. So here one equation and this equation is given separately. Then we know how to find out their separate equation. There I explained the formula is given by, so modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c upon root of a1 square plus b1 square, sorry, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to plus or minus a2x plus b2y plus c2 by under square root of a2 square plus b2 square. Understand this? So there we know find out separately. Okay now, but here we have the combined equation is given. So this is the combined equation of these two pair of lines. So pair of lines passing through the origin. Combined equation is given. What is the combined equation? Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. So angle bisector means, so this is a one angle bisector and it is another angle bisector. Those two angle bisectors are also pair of lines passing through origin, no? These two angle bisectors also pair of lines passing through origin. Definitely they will also will have a equation which is of the form second degree general homogeneous equation in the variables x and y. So that is given by the formula this h times x square minus y square is equal to a minus b times xy. So for this also it is a very important theorem for board level examinations. Proof is also there. I hope that you you know the proof very well. Okay. Now that means first you have to take this h value x square minus y square is equal to a value minus b value times xy. So after simplification you will get this form. Okay na? So that is equation of the pair of angle bisectors. Okay. The condition that one of the lines represented by ax square plus 2hxy b square is equal bisects the angle between the coordinate axis. So here be careful. Once again I will read this statement. The condition that one of the lines represented by. So here in this there are two lines are there. There are two lines are there. It bisects the angle between the coordinate axis. That means what? So I will explain through the one diagram. So let us take this x axis and y axis. Okay na? So he is saying ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. It contains two lines. Out of the two lines, one line is the angle bisector of the coordinate axis. So this is one line. So this is out of two lines represented by the equation. One line is it bisects the angle between the two lines. Another line is any one of the line, another one. So this is L2. So here L1 of this pair of lines, it bisects the angle between the coordinate lines, and the L2 is another line. So then the condition is, this is the condition, a plus b whole square is equal to 4h square. So if you take modulus on, if you take square root on both sides, So square root of a plus b whole square is equal to modulus of a plus b. Square root of 4h square is equal to 2 times modulus of h. Okay na? So that is the condition. Next one, equation to the bisectors of coordinate axes. So if you observe x-axis, y-axis, they itself pair of lines. They are itself pair of lines. Definitely they also will have, for example, so this is x-axis and y-axis. So they also will have the angle bisector. So this is a one angle bisector, it is another angle bisector. We know that the equations of those angle bisectors is y is equal to x, another y is equal to minus x. What is their combined equation? So y is equal to x means what? That is x minus y is equal to 0, y is equal to minus x means what? X plus y is equal to 0. What is their combined equation? A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square is equal to 0. So that is the equation to the bisectors of coordinate axis. Okay na? Right. So I hope that today what are the topics I discussed you understand very well, and tomorrow I will I will introduce some more concepts, and also I will now if you observe today what are the class, yesterday's class and today's class, what we think no, all our pair of lines passes through origin. All our pair of lines passes through origin. So is there any other pairs they are not passing through origin? Yes, the other pair of lines are also there, they does not passes through origin. For them also the conditions, angle between them, angle bisectors, parallel, perpendicular, all conditions are also there. So all those things we will discuss in the tomorrow's class. I hope that you enjoyed today's class with some more topics, and tomorrow's class I will stand before you. So until then, all the best.